Number 1.
1987 Chevrolet C20, price $8,000, shows approximately 140,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with a sturdy 4-speed manual transmission. This rear-wheel drive truck is powered by a reliable 350 cubic inch V8 engine and runs on gasoline. Finished in a timeless beige exterior with a matching beige interior, it presents a clean, cohesive look that complements its classic design. The truck has been owned and maintained by a mechanic, ensuring that it remains in good mechanical condition and performs well on the road. It features a straight, rust-free body that reflects its solid overall structure, along with dual fuel tanks. Although it does not have air conditioning, this 1987 Chevrolet C20 stands out for its mechanical dependability, vintage charm, and honest work truck character.
Number 2.
1966 International 1200, price $8,900. This is a well-preserved classic pickup featuring a manual transmission, beige exterior, and brown interior. Powered by a V8 304 engine with a 3-speed manual 3-on-the-tree setup, it runs perfectly and retains its authentic character. The truck needs only 3 small items to be fully original: a water bottle, an air cleaner and seat reupholstering. Extensive restoration has been completed, including replacement of all hoses, belts, tires, gears, and transmission, with an original unit. The brakes and master cylinder were rebuilt, the fuel pump and carburetor renewed, and the original radiator and gas tank serviced. It also features new oil and fuel filters, a fresh paint job, and a new windshield. The interior is clean and fully functional, with every button, light, and switch working properly.
Number 3.
1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,500, powered by a 4.3 TBI engine paired with a TH400 transmission. This truck originally served as a city vehicle and has been meticulously maintained throughout its life. Over the past 2 months, it has received numerous new parts, all documented in the included service book from the city. The suspension setup features new 3-inch drop springs in the front, an axle flip with a C-notch in the rear, and about 5 inches of total drop, providing a smooth and stylish lowered stance. It rides on truck rally wheels wrapped in Cooper Cobra tires, enhancing both its classic appeal and road performance. Everything on the truck is fully functional, making it an excellent daily driver. The heat works perfectly, and it includes a compressor and lines for those who wish to reinstall the air conditioning system. Additionally, the truck comes with an extra set of front springs for those who want to achieve an even lower stance. It's also equipped with Beltec rear shocks and new front shocks, ensuring a comfortable and stable ride.
Number 4.
1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,500, shows around 200,000 miles on the odometer and features an automatic transmission paired with a gasoline-powered engine. The truck wears a deep green exterior complemented by a gray interior, giving it a timeless and rugged look that suits its classic pickup profile. Under the hood, it has been LS swapped and cammed, offering a noticeable boost in performance and a distinctive engine note. Despite running and driving well, it currently floods itself with fuel, indicating that some tuning or mechanical attention may be required to restore optimal performance. Adding to its appeal, the truck rides on a set of aftermarket torque thrust wheels, which enhance its stance and give it a bold, custom appearance. This 1997 Chevrolet 1500 combines old-school charm with modern power upgrades.
Number 5.
1995 Ford F350, price $5,500, strong and dependable truck that has covered 145,000 miles. It comes with a manual transmission and a distinctive green exterior that still holds its classic charm. Under the hood, it's powered by a robust 460 cubic inch gas engine paired with a 4.10 rear axle, offering impressive torque and reliability. As a 2-wheel drive model, it delivers confident handling and performance, whether used for work or everyday driving. The truck features an 8-foot bed, perfect for hauling heavy loads, tools, or equipment, making it a practical choice for both professional and personal use. It has been fully inspected and is valid through June 2026, ensuring it's ready for the road.
The vehicle runs smoothly, shifts cleanly through all gears, and the frame remains solid with no structural issues.
Number 6. 2000 Chevrolet S10, price $5,999. It has 154,000 miles on the odometer and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a blue exterior with a clean, well-maintained interior, and runs on gasoline. The truck comes with a clean title and a pink slip in hand, and its Carfax report shows no accidents, confirming its solid history. Maintenance records are available, reflecting the owner's consistent care. The air conditioning blows cold, and the truck is known for its reliability, strong performance, and ability to handle tasks efficiently. Recent servicing includes a transmission service, ensuring smooth operation, and the tires are in near new condition. Inside, the cabin is clean with no rips or stains, offering comfort and practicality. Additionally, it comes equipped with a toolbox, making it a great option for both everyday use and work-related purposes.
Number 7.
1997 GMC Sierra 1500, price $5,200, well-maintained classic pickup with 132,000 miles on the odometer and an automatic transmission. It features a red exterior complemented by a brown interior, creating a timeless and rugged look. Powered by a dependable gasoline engine, this truck offers the kind of durability and smooth performance GMC is known for. The vehicle is in excellent overall condition, showing signs of consistent care throughout its life. It comes fitted with 4 brand new tires, ensuring a safe and comfortable ride. A camper shell is also included, adding versatility for work, travel, or outdoor adventures. The registration is current, and it has successfully passed the smog inspection, making it fully ready for its next owner.
Number 8.
1986 Chevrolet C10, price $7,200. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and is finished in an elegant tan exterior complemented by a matching interior, giving it a timeless and authentic look. Powered by a gasoline engine, this truck has only 28,320 miles on the odometer, making it an exceptionally low mileage example for its age. The vehicle features an 8-foot-long bed, ideal for both utility and leisure use, and remains in all original condition, showcasing the care it has received over the years. It also includes power doors and windows, which add a touch of modern convenience to its classic design.
With new tires recently installed, the truck delivers smooth handling and dependable traction on the road. Number 9.
1992 Ford F-150, price $7,000, powered by the sturdy 300 straight-six engine. This truck delivers impressive torque and smooth performance, ideal for both work and everyday driving. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission that shifts seamlessly, making it easy to handle on the road. With only 102,000 miles on the odometer, this F-150 has been gently driven and remains in solid mechanical condition for its age. The exterior is finished in a clean white color that highlights its timeless design, while the interior features a well-maintained blue cabin that preserves its vintage charm. This truck runs on gasoline and has only one small rust spot on the bed, a minor detail that does little to diminish its overall appeal.
Number 10.
1991 Chevrolet Silverado, price $10,000. This truck features a 5.7-liter EFI gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It has been very well maintained throughout its life, showing original mileage of 246,284 miles. The body is straight with no accidents, reflecting careful ownership and consistent upkeep. Recently, the truck has received several new components, including all 4 Michelin tires, brakes, shocks, starter, alternator, radiator, belts, and hoses.
The air conditioning system, including new AC lines, functions perfectly and blows nice cold air.
It also comes equipped with an AM/FM/CD radio for added convenience and comfort.